I have great news for you, and you. Do you know you can travel to Germany for free? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can attend a fully funded conference in Germany. They'll pay for your flights, your accommodation, your feeding, your transportation, and everything that you need for the duration of the conference. If this strikes like something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. You know, yes, I know I'm the grants queen. I share information on grants that you don't have to pay back, free money that you don't have to pay back. But of course, I found this opportunity and I decided to share with you guys on my channel. By the way, I have a couple of international fully funded conferences on my channel. You can go ahead and check them out. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can travel to Germany for free. If this strikes as something you're interested in, sit back, relax, and watch this video all the way till the end. So if you're new to my channel, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know you. I want to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say big thank you to you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you, and I appreciate you all from the depths of my heart. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, let me introduce myself while you guys introduce yourselves. My name is Miriam. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. Yes, you can find this on my website. And the hair, yes, so it's a wig. Yeah, it's on my website. Just head over to www.chassiseverything.com. Yes, so, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to apply for this amazing opportunity. Oh, by the way, to all my returning subscribers, thank you. You guys are amazing. And to all of my Patreons, thank you. To the Patreons of this channel, thank you so much. You guys are amazing. I see you and I appreciate you all. If you want to join my Patreon membership, find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Part of the perks of joining my Patreon community is that you get to book a free consultation with me. Yes, you can book a free consultation with me one-on-one, and we can discuss all things business, money, and everything in between. Grants, yes, so, and everything in between. So come with me, let's go. Please don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends and your village members. Yes, if you have not shared, what are you waiting for? Yeah, I'm waiting. Like this video. Like this video, I'm waiting for you. Like this video and share this video with your friends and your family members, your village members, your enemies, and your Parappa members. So come with me, guys, let's go. So guys, have you heard of the 11th HLF 2024, which is the Heidelberg Laureate Forum? It is a networking conference where 200 carefully selected young researchers in mathematics and computer science spend a week interacting with the laureates of the disciplines, recipients of the Abel Prize, ACM, AM Turing Award, and the ACM Prize in Computing, Fields Medal, IMU Abacus Medal, and Nevalina Prize. It was established in 2013. The HLF is annually organized by the Heidelberg Laureate Forum Foundation, HLFF. Now, with a blend of scientific and social program elements, the HLF platform is especially designed to initiate exchange among the participants. Laureates give lectures on subjects of their choosing, which are primarily directed at the participating young scientists. Now, these lectures should be at the starting point of intensive discussions between the laureates and the young researchers during the forum. This means that the forum is not a classical scientific conference, but a networking event meant to motivate and inspire the next generation of scientists. Providing the space for ideas to take shape and evolve is what defines the forum's underlying purpose. Now, the HLF was initiated by German Foundation Klaus Scherrer Stiftung, KTS, which promotes natural sciences, mathematics, and computer science, inspired by the idea of providing bright young minds the opportunity to interact with their scientific role models. Physicist and co-founder of SAP, Klaus Scherrer, lays the groundwork for the forum to exist. On May 22, 2012, a formal agreement between the organizers and the award-granting institutions was signed in Oslo, Norway, and the following year in the Heidelberg Laureate Forum Foundation was formally established. Now, the 11th Heidelberg Maths, computer science for an unrestrained interdisciplinary exchange. During the week-long conference, young researchers and other participants will have the opportunity to connect with the scientific pioneers and draw from the rich body of experience brought by the attending laureates. While lectures and panel discussions from the foundation of the scientific program, interactive program elements such as workshop and master classes provide a great variety of the avenues for attendees to interact and share ideas. This compelling network event combines scientific, social, and outreach activities in a unique atmosphere sustained by comprehensive exchange and scientific inspiration. Now, you can go ahead and apply. I have done all the homework for you. Find the link in the description to apply for this amazing opportunity. Just so you know, they also have applications for journalist travel grants too. They are accepted from February 19 to 18th of April 2024. Yeah, so if you're a journalist, you can apply as well. Now, lectures and panel discussions from past HLFs can be viewed on their YouTube channel. A day-by-day guide to past forums can be be found in their vlog at HLF series, where you can hear from young researchers, laureates, and other participants, as well as get a glimpse behind the scenes. You can also get to see photo of past events. You can find it on Flickr. Yes, guys, in case you have not seen my other videos, we have the One Young World Conference. It's a fully funded international conference that is taking place in United States, in New York. If you haven't seen that video, please go ahead and check it out and begin to apply for them as quickly as possible. Please do well to share this video with your friends. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. If you don't have, if you are not a researcher, a mathematician, or a scholar, a mathematics scholar, or a journalist, I'm sure you know a couple of people that fall in that category that you can share this video with. Please tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Share this video with your friends and your village members. Tell them about these opportunities and let me know what you guys think. Yes, if you want more of international, fully funded international conferences on my channel, please let me know. I also found some international conferences that were partially funded, but I just looked away because I am constantly looking for fully funded conferences for my people. Yes, why do you have to pay for anything at all? Because some of these conferences, by the time I checked the criteria or everything, what they were willing to give, I noticed that the flight fees was not included. They only offered to cover your feeding costs and your transport costs at the conference, and I'm like, no, I want you guys to cover everything, both the flight fees, accommodation, feeding, everything that you need for the duration of the conference. So let me know if you want partially funded conferences. If you want me to share information on partially funded conferences, let me know in the comments as well. If you want more of these internationally fully funded conferences, fully funded conferences, please let me know as well in the comments. And if you need grants for your small businesses, when I say grants, I mean free money that you do not have to pay back, check out my other videos. I'm going to apply for those grants before the deadlines. Thankfully, some of these grants actually have rolling deadlines. You can apply this month. If you don't get it this month, you can apply next month, and they never expire. Some of them never ever expire. So head over to my channel, go to my videos, and start to apply for these grants as quickly as possible. Please do well to share this video with your friends. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Be a blessing to somebody today. Share with your village members, your church members, your mosque members, your powerful members, your enemies, and everybody in between. You know how it is on this channel. You win, share it with them so that all of us will win real big. So yes, if you need me to do a research tailored to your specification, please let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to do all these researches for you guys. I slept at 3 a.m. yesterday. I see my hair big, yes. But I would catch up with the sleep. I'll get my beauty sleep much later, maybe during the weekend. So yes, if you have any question, leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. There are no stupid questions on this channel. Ask away. I'm happy to do all these researches for you guys. Yes. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. If anybody's doubting how far you can go, please, with my permission, go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. I said so. All right, guys, take care of yourselves. Don't forget to share this video, like this video, and tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. And I will see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourselves. Keep winning and keep shining. And keep shining. God bless you. For your girl, Chassis. Bye, guys. Check out this